How to change P2P nickname on Binance. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change P2P name on Binance. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open your Binance application on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here at the top left, you'll be able to locate the Binance icon. Tap on the Binance icon, and once you reach to this page, here you'll be able to see P2P option under recommend section. Once you find it, simply tap on it. And in this page, here at the bottom right, you'll be able to locate the profile option. Tap on this profile option, and inside it, here you'll be able to locate pencil icon next to your P2P name. Tap on the pencil icon, and in this pop-up, here you can enter your new name. It also recommends you not to use your real name, and once you change your nickname, you'll not be able to change it for up to 180 days. Tap on the box and enter the username, and after that, tap on this confirm button. Once doing that, here you'll be able to see your up-to-date nickname on Binance. So by following the steps, you should be able to change your P2P nickname on Binance. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.